In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to copy your Whatnot account link. This is essential for promoting your profile, increasing sales, and earning referrals. It allows you to share your store or profile easily on social media, with friends, or within the Whatnot community, ensuring accurate and direct access for potential followers or buyers. To do this, simply head to your Whatnot. You want to tap onto Account. Now onto your profile page, tap on View Profile. You want to tap onto this share icon on your upper right corner of the screen. Select on Copy Link. Your link will be successfully copied to Clipboard. You can now share it to other socials such as Instagram or TikTok. Well, that's how easy it is to get your Whatnot account link. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.